where the sun used to shine so bright. Thelimo stood tall, ready to fight, with a heart full of passion, his spirit so bold. He dreamt of a future, a story to be told. Echoes of Haiti in every step he takes, a journey of change for history's sake. Oh, Thelimo, with dreams like a river flow, for Haiti's tomorrow, you're the one we know. With words like magic, you'll light up the dark. Together we'll ignite, we'll set our mark. Dreams to a new path in view in the land of the free. He sought something true, education like fire, igniting the night. With each challenge faced, he stood up to the fight. With every new skill, he's ready to rise, a beacon of hope beneath the vast skies. Oh,